Welcome to another maybe exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, it's accepted Smith-Morra gambit. I'm not sure bishop b3 was needed actually, so he's thinking here. I guess he's got a point. Oh, is he actually winning a piece? Oh my god. b3 looks to be winning a piece. Whatever I did there. It's not great, I guess. I think he is a piece up. Can I get some compensation? That's the question. This pawn is e5, possibly e5 coming up. Why didn't I just take on d7? Queen a5. Yeah, probably should have taken on d7. Maybe this is interesting. H4, h5, h6. He wants me to take that. Oh, I won't. For a moment. Try and keep some attacking pressure on. Bishop c5. Also interesting. Plunged into fort. I think it would simplify his task if I took, because he'd later exchange off for rooks. Whilst if I go for this blast his king plan instead, I've got more bits on to follow through here.
Check.
I'll take here. There's f6. Right. I'll take it here because we're f7. Now, queen e4, queen f7. Oh, it's bishop c5. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, I'm still on his queen, right? Does he just take my queen c1? Knight g4, queen c1. Knight c4. Yeah, knight c4, queen g5. I'm still protecting the bishop there. f6. Bishop takes, then bishop g7. If he does fg, bishop f takes, f8 takes, bishop g7. So knight c4, queen g5. I think. Where else? Because queen c1, queen takes c5. Oh. Is f4? I hasn't seen that. f4. Is that any good? Pin. Is there a rook d5 coming up? Let's take, I think. Take the rooks. Another check, and then queen d, not queen d4. Unpin here, protect some squares. Well, unpin this one anyway. Okay. I know, I'm a piece down. Sad but true. e5. He's going to blast through f6, isn't he? That's a real pain. Try and keep his bishop blocked, at least. That's a pawn.
Check.
It's getting a bit hard pressed on the clock. I don't think he'll make it. 10 seconds. I'll just do that.
Check.
Yeah. A bit of compensation anyway. Okay, so yeah, he ran out of time. So compensation was, I don't know. It's like weird how we won a piece though. I've had that before. No particular disaster. Might go ahead. B3. Gordon Bennett. Let's get one pawn for him.
Check.
Oh, this is better for black. Yeah, so he does this. Oh, queen b3. Just on f7. If he does this, queen. I thought this. I was knight e5. Oh, for knight f3. Oh, that's ingenious.
Check.
This apparently is one of the strongest moves. Oh, so actually, I'm on the edge of disaster.
Check.
No, it's not so. Yes, it is bad. We only got 36 seconds. It is bad. Getting a pawn there. That's nice, though.
Check. check,
Oh, King F6. Oh. Well, there's only got like 10 seconds to work this out. That must be okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Yeah, fun one. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.